Hello Alfa Romeo lovers, this is two cartoon versions. So they're both labeled as Z-27, so the 27th of the Choro-Q Zero series. We have the police version and a red sporting version. The Alfa Romeo Giulia was a car produced between 1962 and 1978. And it's just a cool looking car, I think. I like them. They had many different engine choices, and they're rear-wheel drive, I believe. Anyways, I talked about it more with my true scale reviews. This one has mirrors, but I'm not going to put them on. They're just going to break off when I pull this out for a new review, so let's get this out of packaging as well. And this one actually has a price on it, 800 yen, or $8. I think that's lower than retail price, so I don't know. No mirrors on this one either. It's weird. It's clearly new. I just cut through the tape, so I don't know. That seems odd. Maybe that's why it was $8. Maybe it's missing mirrors, but I don't really mind because I'm not gonna put them on anyways. All right, let's get into this police one and compare to see what kind of characteristics came across in cartoon form. Well, we got the same number of headlights, but none of those fog lights on this police one. It's got the nice blue, police light up top though, but not that weird thing. What is that? Is that a spotlight? I think it's a spotlight. But the graphics here do match up, it seems. Let me try to focus on the model. Polizia. It's too small, I can't read it. Sorry. Alright, but the wheel types, the wheels look the same, these stamped steel wheels. It's just so shrunken down. It's like squished, it was like in an accident or something like that. And here's the rear, and the taillights are at least rectangular. They don't have the white on them though. The bumpers are similar. Alright. Okay, so yeah, you got the stamped steel wheels. They look alright, I guess. Decent enough detail. Squadra Volante? Okay. Squadron Volante. I forget what that means. I'm not Italian. Don't know what that is either. Let me focus in on and see if there's any more text. 113? Alright. Yeah, that is on the real photo, so they were looking at those photographs I pulled up to model this car, I guess. So it's nice it's got silver on the door handles, and also silver on the side windows. You don't get that on every ChoroQ Zero. This is raised, painted orange. Oh, that Alpha badge is actually pretty decent for a toy. The snake isn't very legible, but the cross is. There's a texture here. It's painted silver. These little bumperettes, blank license plate, some silver for these markers, some rib detail here, some painted on wiper blades. You get that blue police light up there. This size, well, only the fuel filler makes this side different. In the rear, yeah, no backup lights, but at least we have the turn signals, the bumperettes. Okay, and then silver trim around all the windows, it seems. Production wise, this was made in 2014, the 10th month of 2014. Front axle's quite rusted away. Strange. Okay. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. I mean, it's pretty similar to the real photographs. And then I like that there's silver paint around all the windows. So a lot of good detail on that one. So this one here, it's pretty much all the same molding. Just a shamrock here, which I believe is for good luck from one of the previous racers for Alpha. But see, look what went wrong here. There's no silver trim around these windows, nor even the door handles. It does have this, which is nice, but why do they skimp out there? It seems weird. Taillights are the same, and yeah, bumper's the same. I would assume this is made the same period, yep. 10th month of 2014. This front axle's not rusted though. Okay. Alright, well, Guess it's time to compare it to a couple other models. I'll get the spin thing out. Let's get over on this side here so you can see that racing car. So I do have this Kyosho 164. It's a Giulia TI it's called. And I think it's pretty much the same model, just 164. It's got the 4 headlights up front. It's got the stamped steel wheels, the rectangular taillights. So yeah. The Giulia is a small car in real life, it seems. I'm going to pull out one other Alfa Romeo by Kyosho. It's the 1750 GT AM. I just love this. I think it's my favorite Alfa Romeo. Alrighty. So I couldn't find any images of an Alfa with this scheme, but this one has that snake on the hood. So I think Choro took some liberties with the paint scheme on that. Alright, let's lose these guys and put some other ChoroQs up there. So let's see, sporting intention wise, I have this Mini Cooper. I think it's from Wanda, although I don't really know for sure. And then I have this ChoroQ 250 GTO, and I added some black paint details to it. Yeah, it looks better with the black in the wheels and the vents. I also have this Skyline S54B of historic racing credit. I guess it won some races. And then police car wise, I have this Wanda Subaru Japanese police car. So it's a different style of cartooning. And then I have this ChoroQ from the 24 TV show with Jack Bauer. I think it's just a generic police car. So the Wandas, you know, it's more of a flatter cartoon style, whereas the ChoroQs, they're all running the really tall proportions, tall. So it's a different way to tune things out, but I'm okay with either way. I think that both styles are pretty comical looking. Alright, let's get rid of these guys. And let's see. Guess Spider-Man should be here driving that guy. And this alien guy here. Alright, so for me, I'm really happy I got these two. I really like classic Alfa Romeos. And then the fact that you can get a classic Alfa tuned out makes it even better. I think they're really funny looking. So it's just a weird mystery why that police car has so much more details than the red car. You know, this green police car also has wiper blades printed on the windshield, but the red car doesn't. You know, the red car is skimping out on a lot of print work. It doesn't have orange on the side marker either. So very strange. Not sure why that would be. Oh well, no big deal. Alright, I guess I'll see you the next time I get ChoroQ in, which will probably be tomorrow. Alright, see ya.